Hi, in today's video we'll be covering how you can use the interactive viewer to remotely control your video wall and all your displays. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you've selected the mapping tab, and then you want to go to the individual source. In this case we have a web browser source called userful.com. So you want to click on the zone itself or the video wall itself, and in this case this will just bring up video wall zone settings. From here you want to go to the interactive viewer in the top right corner, click that, and it's going to open a new tab, and then once it loads you'll be able to control the video wall. So if you wish just to view the content, you can view it like this, but if you wish to control it, make sure you have enable mouse and keyboard selected. So let's say you want to look into the video walls a little bit. Just click on the video wall tab here, scroll down, and then just scroll through the content to see what you want. All the while this will be showing on the screens themselves. So let's just exit out of this one video, and as you can see we can now scroll through the content freely. The interactive viewer though is a little bit slower as it's interpreting the content and everything, so do keep that in mind. Now we do have the option to also search for stuff, so if you wish to look for stuff you can just say click here and just type in your name. We'll just say Userful. But as you can see, you can clearly control all the content in this web browser remotely from any location, and what this allows you to do is just log into all the websites or anything you need to do in order to display the correct content. So that concludes today's video. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.